We are live in the Thunderdome. Welcome, traders. Welcome to the mini Thunderdome. Today is October 24th, 2022. If you're new to the channel, we stream live ES and MES live trades. If you follow any of my trades, doing so at your own risk, not liable for any losses or damages. Bon dia, bonjour, ciao, good morning. All right, guys, let's get started here. Let's get this out of the way. Let's look at some numbers real quick. All right. So we have POC at 37.75. We have resistance at 3,800. We also have resistance at 38.35. We have support at 760. We have also support at 37.25 and 36.78. Short targets 37.68. We also have 37.59, 37.54, 3700, and 36.77. Long shot short is going to be 36.54. And then we have long targets 37.93, 38.11, 38.14, 38.20, and 38.33. And long shot on the long side is going to be 38.47. All right, let's look at some scenarios real quick. And where is that? Here we go. Okay, tug of war line. I think if we could close the gap, we're opening with a gap to the downside. So I think if we can close the gap and get under 37.60, we may see 3700. I believe the market needs to stay above 37.11. If it goes anything under, if we go under 3700, I think it will be a very volatile day and we could see a sell-off. On the upside, we need to pass 38.16. So scenario one, we go and close the gap and then just scream up and hit 3800. Scenario two is close the gap and then slowly pass our way, chopping our way up past 3800. And then scenario three, going up to 3700, then failing and testing, 3777, then failing and testing 3700. Okay, now the issue with this morning, I'm on the long side, but there are quite a few things on the calendar that could screw up my trading. So at 6:45, 15 minutes after the bell, we have a flash service PMI, and then at 7:15 we have a MPC out of Britain. Member Ransdom speaks. They've been having some issues there, so there could be an issue with that during our trading hour. And then at 7:15, and then at 8 a.m. we have Treasury Secretary Yellen speaking. So it's gonna be, I think I'm gonna start out trading, actually I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna start trading only the MES, and I think only 3 contracts, because we have, the first half hour we have 2 reports that can affect the market. Okay, so it looks like the overnight was gonna keep going, but then Alibaba had poor earnings report, and it seemed like that crashed the market. So the high of the overnight is 38.13. Okay, so are we gonna retest that, or are we gonna make a new low? And our low is 37.16. Starting to look like it may be a valued day. So hit up 3700, come back down, and then just close in value. Seems like we're still gonna be in the shadow of Friday, then Thursday, in the shadow of last week. I think that we'll probably close above 3750 and under 3800. So yeah, let's see what happens. Gonna be interesting morning. So yeah, out of the gate, you can go long, but we have a gap. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting morning. All right, okay, that's all I have. I wish everybody best of luck. Let's make some money. Under leverage yourself so you're able to have some good stop management, because sometimes we all get some bad entries, so you need to work on your stop. All right, okay, I'm gonna take a quick break. That's all I have for pre-market, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Thank you. Yes, I'll be trading. Yes, I want to finish this month strong. All right, I'll be back. All right, here we go. So the gap closes on my settlement is 63.50. So let's see if we go for a gap closure. It looks like it wants to keep going up already. Let me delete my hold on. All right, POC starting at 89.25. 89.25. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. So all of this area here is going to be all gap closure and weak structure also. Looks like wants to start closing the gap. Yep, here we go. I almost took a short, but I went to look at another chart. Missed it. Bummer. Bummer. Well, there could be another opportunity here. I'm going to let it settle a little bit. Oh no. Is it frozen? Looks like my MES just froze. Ugh. Yep, my MES just froze. I was changing a data series on it and looks like it just froze. Yep. Yep, it's frozen. All of my charts are frozen. I can't even. Oh, here we go. All right, let me see if I can reload historical data here. Otherwise, I may have to restart my streaming. Oh, they don't want to do that. Alright, looks like I'm losing some opportunities here because my chart is freezing. I would have probably... Oh man, come on. Yep, everything's frozen. Yep, my MES is frozen, but I could take an... Yeah, I don't want to take an ES trade. Alright, let's see if it fully loads here. Otherwise, I may have to end my streaming and restart again. I know, you're right. You're right. Oh, is it back? Yeah. I shouldn't have messed with it. But I was already having issues with it. Oh, are we back? Alright, we're back. Cool. Alright. Alright. Oh, there could be a long opportunity here, guys. Are we back? No, we're not back. Oh, for a second it looked like it was back. Alright, it's frozen. Or it's lagging. Let me do one more reload history here. At least it's not frozen. Yeah, it could be a long opportunity here. Challenging morning already. $77. No, it's lagging. Let's see. Is it? What time does this say on it? 6:35. No, I think it's correct now. 81, 80. Okay, we're back. We're back. Oh my God, all right, I'm losing a lot of quick little scalps here. Okay, so did we close the gap? No. Okay, so we still have open gap and still some poor structure underneath. All right. Chart's really slow. Ooh, look at this. Wow, already up here. All right, so we just hit our first target. So I'm going to take that out of the way. First target hit. Am I lagging? Let me check with the dome. If you guys ever think you're lagging, you need to check on your dome. The dome is the only thing that never lags. No, I think I'm on the cursor. It says 6:36, so no. I think we're good. Well, YouTube always lags 10 seconds, so you're not gonna see live on YouTube. All right, so I guess I lost a whole bunch of opportunities here. I would have probably taken a short here and gone stopped out, and then I would have probably taken a long at 82. All right. This sucks. All right, I'm trying not to let this get to me. All right, good for you. Awesome, awesome little trade there, Oscar. All right, we'll start to close some upper structures here. Yeah, I got nothing now. Just got to wait for another opportunity. I kind of screwed up my mojo. All right, and now it's lagging. All right, if it doesn't catch up, I may need to restart my streaming and do a whole reload, restart on the computer and delete my cache. All right, so we hit 3,800. It bounced off, so it's starting to look. Which scenario is? Scenario 1. We dipped a little bit into closing the gap, and then we screamed up all the way to 3,800, right? That's scenario 1. Didn't quite close the gap, but pretty close. Yeah, my shit's frozen. It sucks. Stop. All right, here comes the first report. I'm gonna have to restart streaming, everybody. I'm sorry. Everything here is it's It's not moving well, and I don't want to get frustrated. Wow, look at that sell-off at 3,800. Well, it seems like we're back. It's not lagging, but the mouse is not smooth. There could be a long opportunity here if it fails. There could be a long here. But I would be careful. Okay, I'm gonna start looking for a long here. Let's see. Oh, this target is gone also. 77 is gone. Alright, I'm only gonna take one lot because we have a report in 1 minute. I don't want to get stuck. I'm gonna take a long right here. Alright, and it's frozen. Is it frozen? Okay, I could move it on another chart. Okay, if it fails at 86, I'm out. So I have my stop hovering at entry price, and I'm ready to drop it. I'm going to drop it. Alright, it's lagging again. Alright, I'm out. Alright. Here on the chart, it's showing I'm not, but on the dome, I'm out. Alright, guys, I'm going to have to restart my computer. I'm sorry. Apologize, but yeah. Alright, guys, I'll be back. Alright, I'll be back. Sorry about that, but yeah, otherwise I'm going to get really upset and frustrated here. Okay, I'll be back in a bit. Sorry.